Hi there, students. This video's about interjections, negative interjections. These are exclamations. Normally a word or a phrase or a sound that doesn't really have any grammatical relation to anything else. Very often these interjections express emotions. Yeah, they express how we feel about something. So let's look at these. Ah! Okay, this is when something's gone wrong. Yeah? Ah! I made such a silly mistake. Okay? And oh, isn't that cute? Isn't that beautiful? Oh. This is saying something is really lovely, really beautiful, really sweet and lovely. Blah, blah, or blah, 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 blah. Somebody talking on and on about something, or blah, blah. I don't really like it very much. I think probably stronger than blah is blech, blech, blech. Oof. So, would you like one of these yogurts made of herring and cheese and strawberry and pepper? Well, blah. It sounds pretty disgusting. And then stronger than that, ew. If something is really disgusting, ew, what a horrible smell. Okay, ew, what a horrible sight, ew. Yeah, it's something you can elongate as well. Humph, humph, humph. So, this is when you're not very happy about something. So, you're going to have to work tomorrow. And I thought I was going to have the day off. Ho-hum, ho-hum. This means, I think, that somebody's bored, that time's going on, that nothing is happening, and, well, it's just a bit boring. Hup! Okay, particularly when somebody or something jumps, or you have to lift something. Hup! Yeah, it's got the hup idea. Ich, ich. Yes, again, something rather disgusting. It's a bit icky. It's a bit unpleasant. Yeah. I picked up the jar of honey and the bottom was really rather icky. It wasn't very nice. Okay, the next one's great. La-di-da. This is when somebody is being posh or pretentious. Oh, how la-di-da. How pretentious, how posh it's supposed to be, but you don't really think the person is very posh at all. Ouch, that hurts. Ouch, 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 ouch. Okay, that one's easy. So, pff, pff. You do this is dismissing something. You don't like it. It's not very nice. It's ridiculous. It's not relevant. Yeah. So, I don't know, somebody offers you something that's really no use to you. Pfft. Yeah, you have to work on Sunday, but I'll give you a couple of hours free on Monday morning. Pfft. I'd rather have my Sunday off. Okay. Poo. Poo! Something smells to start with. Or to poo-poo something. Puh, puh, puh. I think this is a mixture of the previous one and this one as well. I think you don't like it, or if something's really going to be a lot of work or very hard. So he gave me £20,000. Yeah, so an expression of surprise or amazement as well. Something that you don't like, something that's rather unpleasant. Yeah? Some of these interjections, it's very difficult to write. And then finally, ugh. Okay, this is a bit like the argh one, ugh. So if something's not very pleasant, so I've got to go and have lunch with my parents-in-law on Sunday. Ugh. Yeah, I don't really feel like it. Yeah, it's not a very interesting prospect. Yeah, so ugh. Yeah, ugh. I've still got to do all this work, and I really don't want to do it. So it's expressing that it's something that you're going to have to do, but you don't really feel like doing it. So, yay! We finished. Yay, happiness. But notice all of these are negative interjections. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. So, aw, blah, blech. You, hup, ick. La-dee-da. Ouch. Pff Pooh Tchah. Ugh.